want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Explanation. Dr. Kalam used this metaphor to inspire students to work hard, persevere, and dedicate themselves to their goals. Just as the sun shines brightly, achieving great things requires putting in effort and going through challenges. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Explanation. Dr. Kalam believed that setbacks and failures are part of the journey to success. He encouraged students to develop a strong determination and resilience, stating that with the right mindset, they can overcome obstacles and continue moving forward.
Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. Explanation. Dr. Kalam believed that a strong foundation of learning and knowledge is essential for personal growth and greatness. He emphasized the importance of being curious, creative, and thinking critically to acquire knowledge and excel in life.